Guys, this is the last day that I'm gonna be able to look at my cute little curls because tomorrow I am getting my, I'm getting my 2-strand twist in, and then later I'll be interlocking them and starting my lock journey. So say bye to her. It's the last we're gonna see her like this. It is 8:30 and my appointment's at 9, so I'm about to leave. I just reblow dried my hair out one more time. I'm gonna miss her. So I just got out of my appointment. Couldn't really film inside because it was personal, but guys, here we are. Here we are. Oh my god. I'm so excited. Can you guys tell how excited I am? Wow, wow, wow. Look at her. Okay, I'll give you guys a little close up. I don't know about these. These are looking mighty small. I might combine them or something later. I don't know. I'm gonna attempt to show you guys the back. This never goes well for me, but I can't see, so I mean, I hope it's straight. Good morning. It's day 3, I guess day 2 of my lock journey. So I actually, so I'm very happy with the front and like the parting. It's beautiful. I mean, look at her, absolutely gorgeous. But then the back, if you saw my other video, it's just not it. I want there to be a middle part down the back completely, and it's more of like off-centered parts. So I called in my good friend Chirichi. She does hair, and she also just started her lock journey with 2-strand twist method. And I was like, come fix me, come help me. So she's on her way now, and we're gonna see what kind of magic she can do.
Found it.
Guys, we're back and we're here. Chirichi's here. Chirichi, say hello.
Hello.
Oh, she has bias. See,
I switched it.
She got bias.
I had to, you know.
Yeah, I'm in a disposable, but it's okay. She's gonna fix me. Okay.
We're gonna see what we can do about this situation.
Yes.
But the twists already look really good.
I know, I'm so
just need to make them
excited.
smaller in the back.
Also, look at hers. They're so pretty.
Thank you. 2 months in this thing. Yes, I'm so excited.
So my friend Chirichi began by like taking out all of the back of my locks, which was crazy, or the twist. And then she was reparting it to create a grid pattern that would match the front.
So we established a little bit of a grid pattern here. It was a lot bigger in the back, but now we definitely made a smaller grid. I think the body's down a little bit. But yeah, I wanted to line it up with the work that they already did in the front, so I did that. As you can see, I did that. Yeah, I lined it up. Some of them are brick falling in between, and a lot of them are falling right on top of each other to give a little bit more volume and a neater look for when she decides to interlock in the future.
Guys, we're done.
We're done. Woo! We are done. We finished the whole back of her head. I can't wait for it to thicken up over time. So we have a little grid. A little grid that lines up with the previously established part on this side and on this side. So we're done. How do you feel?
I feel so good. Yay! I'm so happy.
We're excited to see how it goes.
I'm 100% content.
Yes.
So this is just a little update about 2.5 weeks in here's like the front, what it looks like. It's a little bit puffier, definitely way shorter. The shrinkage is real. Here's the side. I've combined a few locks in the front. And here's just what the back looks like. Can we just give a round of applause to Chirichi for fixing the back? I am in love with the grid pattern. But yeah, you can see all up in there, looking pretty good. Good morning. I definitely just woke up. I haven't done anything to my face, my hair, nothing, so welcome. Today is gonna be my first like interlocking of my hair. It's been 2 weeks. Actually, pretty sure I'm going on like week 3, and like I guess what my hair looks like. I'll show you. You can get a little close and personal. So I'm ready to like retwist it. I have pretty like, let me see, it's not like hella new growth or anything, maybe like half, I don't know, what is that, half an inch or something. But anyway, I'm ready to do it, and my friend's gonna help me, so we're gonna do that later today. I'm excited. So yeah, I'm gonna get dressed and like head over there in like an hour or so. See you guys later. Okay, something I'm not sure about. I haven't washed it. My hair like doesn't feel dirty, I don't think. Like, I don't know. It's been like 2 weeks. I usually wash my hair every 2 weeks. I don't want to like overwash it. It feels fine. Probably because I haven't worked out like I normally do. So I'm wondering if I should wash it first. I think I'll interlock first, then wash. I haven't really found anything that tells me to do one or the other. But also, look at the shrinkage. It's so funny. I was just watching a video of like the week that I got it done, and my hair was like down to here. This is cute. I like this length. I have my friends, and she's gonna help me interlock them. I decided not to wash it first because she gave me advice. So we're gonna get started. Yeah. So my wonderful friend helped me today, and she started off just by sectioning my hair.
Okay, so basically the first thing I do is like I'll wet it like at the root, just a little, so like the friction doesn't rip your hair too much. Then I'll take the loose pieces of hair and just kind of start wrapping it around. But yeah, basically I just wrap the hair around until it just looks like as smooth as possible. Then I take this tool, this little tool, it's called an interlocking tool, and then you put it into the biggest part, and then you slide it down to the end so that it like stays like
Hooked.
Yeah, in that part, and then where do we just start? Back and forth pretty much. Well, it says you're officially into the sisterhood. And then sometimes it gets caught, but we just have to kind of pull it
a bit.
And then not going through. Yeah, I just do it enough to where it's tight, but it's not like suffocating your head.
Yeah.
That makes sense. So this will probably be the last one. Yep. And that's it.
Wow, guys, look at her. Period. Yeah, it's good. So if you guys saw in the beginning, like the front of my hair, there were a couple of locks that were like super small. So I decided to combine them just so that my edges don't rip off as they grow. So this is how my friend Mac, she just, twists them together, and then we interlock them right after. We're halfway done.
And then do a shake.
We're done.
Head up. Okay, shake.
Oh, that feels so good. Wow, look at her. So this is just a vantage point of the back once we finish my entire head, tightening them, interlocking them. Super happy with it, and I love that I can see kind of like the twist like puffing up more. Super excited for this. And thank you, Michaela. Oh my god, because y'all, it took me a very long time to figure out how to do it myself, but we here, baby. Good morning. It's week 4, so I'm about to wash my hair. I just woke up and it's like literally 8 a.m. so still got my retainers in. But yeah, that's what we look like before. Here's what we look like after. So cute. Okay, I just add some water. Now I'm gonna use, oh, my retainers are still in, so please forgive me. Just finished washing. I think it's, yeah, I think everything's all out. So let's get out of the shower and wrap anything that unraveled. Okay, I'm done. Super quick, super easy. It's been what, like 10 minutes. I need to go through and, here, let me set. I need to go through just to make sure that none of them unraveled. So far I don't think so, but you know, you never know. But now that they're wet and looser, I can like do my side part again a little more. Anyway, next, I'm gonna put in this Jamaican black castor oil mix from Natural. It's like done wonders on my hair. And I guess a lot of people have used this for their locks as well. I'm just gonna moisturize my scalp. And then a little on my hair. I'm running low, so I'm like trying to ration it. So my hair's still damp, and I know that like she looks longer than we started, but I know she's about to shrink up, so I think I'm gonna blow dry just a little bit so that I can get it to dry a lot quicker. Also, LOL, I feel like my locks are gonna start growing faster in the back than the front, similar to one of my lockspirations that I follow on Instagram. Her lock, she's like a couple years in, I feel like, but the front of her locks are like here and they haven't like grown past that, but her back locks are down. That's what my hair looks like. Which is fine. It's fine, you know. I love it. I accept it. Whatever. Anyway, yeah. Thank you guys for watching. This is just a little compilation of pictures from the beginning of my lock journey to where I am currently today. I'm really excited to bring you guys along this journey, and I'm excited to be documenting it. So make sure you subscribe and also turn on post notifications so you won't miss any updates from me. Bye!